Hi, how are you? I am Ravindra Yadav. Today I am going to talk about very important things like how to achieve our goal, because mostly people they have a good knowledge, they have a good potential, and after that they face lots of problem according our goal, according our journey. And they also whenever I met some students, they have a good knowledge, they have a complete our educations like a BBA, BCA, MBA. Some persons they also have a complete engineering, MBA, and after that they try for work, they try for job. So during journey they face lots of problem whenever they get chance for interview. So while interview they too much worried about, yeah, means I have a idea, I have no idea, so how to means possible, how to means crack my interview, how to give me good presentation. So I think it is a very means day by day mostly people's they face same problem. So I think it is a convert to very massive problem. So in this way I would like mention only one thing: peoples they have a good knowledge, people they have a good potential. So here need, please, you little bit concerned about our practically knowledge is a very important thing. So because for example some peoples they have a complete engineering, MBA, MCA. So I think these are like a too much good degree, and they give up means when peoples they were pursuing this type degree. So I think while study, while means this type journey, so I think peoples they got lots of good information, good idea. But here need how to develop our confidence, how to develop our courage. So I think it is a very important thing. So please, if you face same problem, so you should give me little bit focus, practically knowledge, and you should focus our goal. If you want to, for example, if you want to become a public speaker, if you want to become a such a good businessman, if you want to become anything in our life, so first of all you only think about it, our goal. Because while journey, yeah, and after that means I met some students and some persons, they have a good knowledge and they want to become something in our life. What whenever I means I tell me about mean why you do not take action. So they only think about it. They told me, yeah, means I want to become something, and I want to means I do this work. But mostly time I think about it, same thinking. So I come my mind very different types of thoughts, like whenever I take a action and my work is not good, so I think people's laughing for my work, and means some persons they following my lengths, this type thinking, they have a very weird thing. So I would like mention here one thing. So please listen carefully. If you want to become a anything in our life, so first of all you commitment ourselves, because it is your goal, so it is your responsibility how to achieve. And second thing, people's laughing your work, people's pulling your leg, doesn't matter. If you should only give me focus your goal, your journey, doesn't matter. Because here mostly people's they say they tell me something, your work, if you do right work, so people's they give me different types thoughts, and if you do wrong work, so people's here they give me different types thoughts. So doesn't matter. If you don't worry about, don't concern about, you should start hard work, you should develop our confidence, you should our courage, and after that you choose right pathway. Because it is a very important thing. Some people they have a good knowledge, good potential, but they have no idea means which types which types way good for me, whether it is wrong. So it is a very important thing, because whenever be talking about means current situation. So I think today scenario, I think it is a very different things here. Day by day coming in new technology, day by day develop lots of good things. So it is your responsibility how to maintain according circumstances ourselves, how to gain knowledge according means time. So it is your responsibility. So please, you need develop our knowledge, our confidence, and 101% within 1 year, 2 years. If you want to become anything, so you will be achieve 100% anything. So here, first of all, you develop your confidence. Without confidence we can't achieve anything, because I read one book like Attitude Everything. So in this book I learned lots of good things. People, they have a good attitude, people, they have a good confidence, people, they have a good courage. I think they want to become anything, so 100% they will be able achieve anything, because means if you have a courage, confidence, so these are very important things. And second thing I would like mention one thing, means if you lost some friends, so I think you lost little bit too much good thinking. If you lost your health, so I think you lost massive thing. But if you lost your courage, your confidence, so I think you lost all kind thing. So means please, you also think about it little bit. Our confidence and courage, both are very important things. So please, you started and you showed hard work with smartness, and 101% you will be achieve anything in our life. So thank you all of you. Bye.